Dear learners, welcome to Code Your Electronics. With our next class, Class 28, Eyes LED Blinking Sequence, with Rest Mode, using pin D7. Let's understand the superhero action for this effect. Step 1. Get my eyes ready. pinMode 7 output. This code will make pin D7 ready to glow Ironman eyes. Step 2. Blink 6 times like a bot. For int I equal to 0, I less than 6, I plus plus. digitalWrite 7 high. This code will turn on the eyes LED 6 times inside for loop, where the value of I will range from 0 to 5. The execution of for loop is clearly explained in our previous classes. For any clarification, you can ask in comment section. Step 3. Hold the glow. Delay 500. This will hold the eyes glow for 500 milliseconds or 0.5 seconds. Step 4. Turn off the eyes and hold. digitalWrite 7 low. This code will turn off the eyes glow. Delay 500. It will hold the darkness till 500 milliseconds. Step 5. Long rest between scans. Delay 2000. It will pause for 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds before the next loop begins. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Keep sharing, keep learning, and keep growing. Subscribe, like, and follow us for all the upcoming updates.